If you love key lime or sweet and tart desserts, this video is perfect for you. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys one of my favorite desserts growing up. It's a key lime cake. It's like a box cake. In Mexico, they call it Carlota Limon, and it was one of my favorites. It's so easy to make, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. The ingredients are very simple, just 4 simple ingredients. A can of evaporated milk, a can of condensed milk, 2 packs of galletas Maria, and the juice of 7 lime. That's pretty much it. To make the creamy sauce, you'll need about a half a cup of fresh lime juice, so squeeze about 6 to 8 limes. Then in a blender, add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweet condensed milk. Turn your blender on low and slowly incorporate your lime juice, making sure not to overblend. And that's it. Now it's time to assemble the dessert. You can use individual cups or make one big dessert. Today, I'm showing you both. I like to use a combination of whole cookies and crushed. The crushed ones work better in those little tight spaces. I'm using galletas Marias, but you can substitute for graham crackers or vanilla biscuits. First, add a layer of cookies, then add a layer of the creamy sauce, and continue adding alternating layers until you reach the top. Then give everything a few taps to release some of the air bubbles inside and refrigerate for at least an hour. To serve, you can garnish with using thinly sliced limes or lime zest, fresh mint, berries, or whipped cream. And there we have it, all done. Now we're gonna taste it. Before I taste it though, this video was requested by a subscriber, Jessica. This is for you. So if you also have a recipe that you'd like me to make a video for, leave it in the comments or DM me and I'd be happy to do that. So now let's try these babies and see how they came out. So good. My taste buds are like, I don't know, something's going on with them. They're really, really happy. This is super flavorful and I'm gonna go eat them all. So we'll see you on our next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.